Live from Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Tom Glover, the Keto Cook. Well, today we're going to do, we've done this before, but this is like one of my favorites, and it's also Maria's favorite also. We're going to be making thin cut pork chops, okay? They're super thin. They're going to cook up very fast. But then we're also going to be using some banana peppers. Now, they didn't have hot peppers, but these will be all right. They're mild, great flavor. But what I do is I use the pepper and also the juice that it's packed in. I'm telling you what, you got to try it. This is fantastic. This is basically zero carb, everything. You got to try it. So, this is going to be a quick one, but in the same token, very filling and very satisfying. Let's get cooking. The pan, I'm going to be putting in a little bit of the butter, a little bit of olive oil. Just going to spin these around. Now, with all the recalls on food and stuff, and the so-called everything with Listeria, E. coli, everything, pre-wash your stuff, please. Make sure if there is anything on it, you can get it off. Not so much E. coli, but the rest you can deal with. A little Tommy spice on them, and I'm going to lay them in. Now, this is going to take two at a time, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to put some Tommy spice on the other ones, on this side, and we're just going to cook it. Now these are going to cook up really fast because how thin they are. Look at that cut. Super thin. Okay, they're going to cup like that, so what we'll do is we'll take a little knife. And cut away. Very simple. Throw another one down. Take a little oregano here, and I'm going to put it down just in the middle of it, spread it around a little bit. Okay, so these are just about where I want them, and you can make them as crispy as you want or whatever. And now see all that on the bottom here? Okay. Let me show you how we're going to handle that. Take the banana peppers, open them, move the lid over top of it so I don't want nothing coming out yet. And I want some of that pepper juice in there. I'm just going to let that cook. We're going to make it, it's going to look like it's going to be making its own gravy with it, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little fork, Sprinkle some of the banana peppers and a little bit more of the juice. Okay. Now this is pickled. Okay. This is good stuff. This is a good brand right here. Not that I'm looking for a sponsorship, but it would be nice. And like I said, very keto friendly. Can't go wrong with it. Good clean eating. Doesn't get any cleaner than this. I'm going to put a cover over it and let that finish. I'll lower it down just a little bit, maybe to half. Clean up a little bit so we keep everything nice and tidy. Okay, so now you know I use a lot of Mexican oregano. Okay, really good stuff, great flavor, and this is how I buy it. Now, I don't think about that. I think this was $7. Okay, good stuff. I mean, economical. I use it on a lot. Really good for you also. Okay, we're getting ready to plate this right here. Now, put the pork chops on a plate, put the pepper rings on here, throw a little gravy on it, and it's done. No, that's not the way I do it, all right? I want this to be as eye-appealing as possible. You eat with your eyes first, then your nose, and then your taste. Basically how it works. Make it look nice. I mean, after all, this is just bone-in pork chop, thin cut, with pepper rings, right? Very, very simple, very easy to do. It's a 1, 2, 3 cook. But make it look nice. Make it look like you're presenting it to a king or a queen. Well, because I am. I'm presenting it to my queen, Marie. The whole idea is to have a pleasant dinner. Sit back, forget everything that happened out throughout the day. This is very filling, by the way. And now I'm putting the juice, gravy, whatever you want to put on it. But basically what it is, it's the fond from the bottom of the pan, butter, olive oil, and then once I put the pepper juice in it, it takes all that off the bottom of the pan. That's flavor. It's all excellent tasting flavor. A little heat to it, not too bad. Now, here's the ending right here. Spark it up a little bit, put that out, makes it look nice. All right, everybody, listen, wasn't bagging too much here. I hope you enjoyed this. This is very simple, easy to do. You can do it boneless, bone in, a little thicker chop, a little smaller chop, whatever. But it is good, clean eating. And this is going to help you get through the holidays with, a little cheating here and there with pie or whatever. So just enjoy your dinner. Make it look really good, and make it different, because you're living a different lifestyle doing a keto way. All right, here we go. Listen, everybody, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Have a great day.